Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm doing a apartment tour with my cat, Miss Mira. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment with my cat, living with my cat. So this is the entryway. Since this is about her and her channel, this is one of her interactive toys that when I put treats in there, here's treats. And then let's go straight to her corner. And I'm going to try to link everything in this video best I can. So this is from Amazon. That's wood. This is her portrait. I love her corner. The star of the show. Turn on this light. I'm in the middle of doing her morning breakfast. This is her cabinet. All her food. Yep, all for her. Okay. Turn that off. Now, the bathroom, which is a shared space. So I have her litter box, and then her scratcher, and then a bowl of water. Here is the bedroom. Oh, she's gonna be shy. Okay, sorry. And then we have her. This is for her. This is her scratcher. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. When you come in the door, there's another toy. I like to go out of focus. Another toy, and the balcony, which is kind of chilly out today, so I'm not gonna go out there. But we got the netting for her safety, and then we'll finish this up. Hello, a big DSLR camera, and finally her bed. So anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to try to post more consistently, long form videos like horizontal, and then a bunch of YouTube shorts. So in light of everything that is happening with TikTok, this video will be posted later, so maybe there will be hope for the future. So, Mira, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay. Bye, guys. See you.